Hi, I'm Vicente Ferrer. I love teaching math to young students, and this makes me icy, fresh, cool, just like this new, happy, icy, fresh, cool toothpaste. Now, let me share with you my talent in teaching math. Let us consider here the addition of the similar fractions. We have here 1/2 plus 1/3 equals what? Now, there are three icy, fresh, cool, and easy ways to solve this problem. You may choose any one of them. The first is through equivalent fractions. The denominators 2 and 3 are not similar. So, we find ways to make it similar. We have 6 as the common multiple. So, we multiply 2 by 3 to get 6, and then 3 by 2 to get 6. And whatever number that we multiply with the denominator, we multiply it also to the numerator. So in this case, 2 times 3, we multiply also the numerator there 1 by 3. And also here, 3 times 2, we multiply the numerator 1 by 2. And so we get here 3 6 plus 2 6. And the sum is 5 6. The second method is through cross multiplication. So we multiply the numerator by the denominator of the other fractions. In this case, 1 times 3 equals 3, and then 2 times 1 equals 2. And then we multiply the denominators. We have the product 2 and 3 equals 6. So, the sum is 5 6. And the third method is finding the LCM or the LCD, which is commonly called as the LCM as the least common multiple and the LCD as least common denominator. So in this case, 2 and 3, the least common denominator is 6. So 6 is the denominator now. 6 divided by 2 equals 3 times 1 equals 3. 6 divided by 3 equals 2 times 1 equals 2. Adding now, we have the sum 5 6. So math is an icy, fresh, cool, and easy subject, isn't it? Just like this new, happy, icy, cool, and fresh toothpaste.